Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making choices that matter. Equip Nugget Man with the floaty cape and a speed charm so you can control drift. Once done, launch into Meme Sea at low tide. This reduces current interference and exposes 3 landmark buoys you will use for navigation. Next, bind roll, dash, and eat to convenient keys so you can react without pausing. Make sure to position yourself leeward of the first buoy. This gives you leverage to skim past the first cluster and conserve stamina for the next phase. Now you focus on timing and resource flow. Watch the currents and use dash during lull windows so you don't fight a full-strength flow. Use roll to dodge meme waves. Short, controlled rolls keep momentum without wasting speed. When critters appear, eat to convert them into a 25% temporary health boost. This sustains you through concentrated hazards. Once stabilized, chain buoy to buoy along the shortest path to minimize exposure. Make adjustments as currents change, and prioritize conserving stamina for the final approach. As you near the finish, slow to half speed to fine-tune alignment with the extraction boat. This prevents overshooting. Then, at the last hazard ring, deliver a timed dash burst to clear obstacles and secure your exit. Once aboard, stabilize by toggling the floaty cape to neutral and feed a small snack to regain steady HP. If something goes wrong, if you get stuck in a current, immediately reposition to the nearest buoy and reapply the speed charm effect. This resets drift and usually frees Nugget Man fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.